The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test, I repeat, this is not a test. Many and numerous reports of an unknown creature rising from the ground. This creature has been identified as Fire Alarm Dude. It is believed that Fire Alarm Dude will take over the world within the next 30 minutes. There is no way to survive this catastrophic event. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. Gather with your family and friends. The national anthem will play for the final time. God bless America.